'Cause I'm in a field of dandelions, wishing on everyone that you'd be mine. Hi, and welcome to the channel. Firstly, let's look at the chords contained in this song. So you're gonna have the F sharp major, composed of the C sharp, the F sharp, and the A sharp, and the bass note of F sharp. Then the A sharp minor, composed of the C sharp, the F and A sharp, and the bass note of A sharp. Then C sharp major, composed of the C sharp, the F and the G sharp, and the bass note of C sharp. And finally, the G sharp major, composed of the C, the D sharp, and the G sharp, and the bass note of G sharp. Feel free to download the PDF file associated with this song so that you have an even better understanding of the chords. Let's first learn the introduction of this song. So here's the corresponding table, and you're gonna play the bass note and then the chord in arpeggio, like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And do the same thing for the A sharp major. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. C sharp major, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And eventually G sharp major, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the whole table should sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And you repeat. So to play the introduction, you will need to repeat this table twice. And actually, let me tell you that this table is the one and only table that you will need to play this song entirely. This chord order is gonna work for absolutely every section of the song. Let's check that for the verse. Maybe it's the way you say my name. Okay? And repeat. Maybe it's the way you play your game. Repeat again. But it's so good. I've never known anybody like you. But it's so... And you keep repeating this table over and over again. Here I'm only singing excerpts since you will have the entire song in a schematic form tomorrow. But let's still check if this works with the chorus. 'Cause I'm in a field of dandelions, wishing on everyone that you'd be mine, mine. And I see forever in your eyes. I feel okay when I see you. And you repeat it over and over again. And feel free to try different methods like this. 'Cause I'm in a field of dandelions, wishing on everyone that you'd be mine, mine. And you could also play the chords like this. I wish you good luck for this one, and I will see you tomorrow for the entire song. Take care. Bye.